This episode of the Good Living Now podcast is sponsored by our friends at Kuvings. Now, I've tried many cold pressed juices over the years, but the Kuvings Auto10 has truly simplified my routine. Now, my personal experience is that it's simple to operate and quick to clean. Now, with the Auto10, I can make everything from nice cream to morning smoothies to sorbets, and I can even make plant-based milk. Now, if you'd like to give it a try, use my affiliate code JUICEGUY at checkout to save 10% on Kuvings. All right, go ahead, grab your fresh produce and get your juice on. Now, one of the things I used to love before I became plant-based was barbecue. Oh, I love me some barbecue. Well, today we're gonna make a plant-based version. And we're gonna make a barbecue sandwich. Wanna do that? Let's try it. Star of the show, it's gotta be jackfruit. Now, what I love about jackfruit is it takes on the flavor of whatever you put on it. So it has a very neutral flavor. So if you add barbecue sauce to it, it's gonna taste like barbecue. So I got this jackfruit for Sprouts, but you can also get jackfruit from a lot of different stores. Your regular grocery store should have it, but most of the time it's gonna be in the can. So what we want to first do is we want to rinse off our jackfruit. Rinse it off real good. Now, if you ever had vegan barbecue, you will probably eat some jackfruit. So we're gonna add to the food processor, and I'm just gonna add half of it first. Just this is a small food processor. We're just gonna add half, and you're just gonna pulse it a couple of times. You don't want it to get mushy. Just shrug it a little, like that. Now it's starting to look like meat already. Look at that. So we got that good old paprika. Then we're gonna add some black pepper. Now the exact amount of the ingredients that you need is gonna be listed for you. But I'm just eyeing it, letting ancestors speak to me. This is cumin. Gonna add some good old onion powder. And finally, we got some garlic powder. It's a little extra. I like garlic. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of avocado oil. So we got all our seasoning in there. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of onions to give it some added flavor. So now just mixing all of those dry ingredients. Starting to smell good now. Gonna preheat our oven at 425 degrees. Now we're gonna add our jackfruit and then we're gonna put it in the oven at 425 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. So you're just gonna pat that down. And so we're gonna add some of this. Now, I'm not gonna try to pronounce this, but y'all know what this is. We got agave, and then we're gonna add some liquid smoke, and then we're gonna mix it all up. Mix in all of our ingredients. That smells so good. When I tell you I used to love barbecue when I wasn't plant-based, this is a nice substitute. All right, let's just taste it. Come on now. This is already gonna be good. Mm, that's good. So we're gonna add our barbecue sauce to our skillet. Okay, we're gonna let that simmer for a little bit, and then we're gonna add the jackfruit in. All right, now that's ready. Look at that. All that good barbecue right there. So we're gonna add our jackfruit to our barbecue sauce. Okay, I'm just gonna make a quick purple cabbage slaw to go on top of my barbecue. So now I'm gonna add our jackfruit to our bun. And this is enough for a couple of people. Or if you're greedy like me, maybe it's not. And top it with some purple cabbage slaw. Let's have some. This makes you feel like you don't even mess with regular barbecue. This is so good. This tastes like real barbecue. This is good.